Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday, as you could see, the performance that we have discussed has happened. So market has jumped higher and even has exceeded the minimum targets around 109 that we have talked about. So the few extensions that we thought it might be in the shape of the butterfly had been exceeded. Currently, it's not many things to do immediately on the euro currency. In general, we could say that daily trend remains bullish. And overall context remains bullish. It's just because you can see trend stands positive. We do not have any bearish directional patterns here by far. Market is not at overbought, so it's actually daily bullish context is not broken yet. And theoretically, market could even proceed higher and back to the previous top right there. It's also absolutely doesn't contradict to the bearish context that we have on the weekly chart. Because on the weekly, one of the patterns that we're considering, we talked about this already many times, this might be the double repo sell, which actually lets market to flirt around the previous top. It will not be some breaking of the bearish setup that we have on the weekly. So it means that somewhere in this range where market stands right now, between 108, 111 area, so it's actually free space where market could do whatever it would like to. So some reaching of some more extended targets, some flirting, consolidation or something of that sort. So it's in general stands in a range of the trading setups that we have. On the 4-hour time frame chart, here is what we have currently. Here market hits some target. I will show you on the hourly chart. Now it shows the reasonable pullback. And here you could keep an eye on possible grabber. This is 4-hour time frame chart. If we will see that grabber will be formed. Market should close here above 108.93 approximately. So if it will close around 108.95-97 right there, it will be bullish grabber. It suggests taking of this top and possible further upward action. Here's also was a grabber, if you remember, it's worked nice. So market showing upward action taken out of this top. And here's could be repeated once again. Just watch for patterns that might be formed around it. But once again, this is still something on intraday chart. So this is not a really big picture. This is not some significant trading stops, mostly for intraday purposes. Later we will get the ISM index, and which is expected to be slightly weaker compared to the February numbers. So February we've got it's around 67. Now it's expected around 63.4, somewhere in this level. So if it will be confirmed, it's maybe euro currency could get more background, positive background for continuation. So we will see. Meantime, on the 4 time frame chart, the grabber, the thing that we need to keep an eye on hourly chart, take a look what really has happened. Market has reached COP target of this large ABCD pattern. So initially we were considering this ABCD, that was a XOP. Then we talked about extensions here. So we thought that might be butterfly or something of that sort, but take a look, market has exceeded both. So first it hits 127 and then immediately jump about 1618 right to the big COP target. After the COP, market right now stands in a pullback and stands near the first support level. Next support area is 108.60, 108.45 approximately, as you can see, confluence support, and here's also previous consolidation. So normally, if market remains bullish and it intends to keep going higher, it should not break this area. It should not drop below these lows and below this consolidation. If this will happen, in this case, we probably could suggest that the daily context is breaking and market is ready to keep going lower. Once market stands above it, it keeps chances on further upward continuation. So from that standpoint of view, if you still think about taking a long position maybe or just considering it, watching for some patterns, that's particular an area that you need to keep an eye on. as in terms of the possible position taken, as in terms of the some kind of the invalidation area. So market should stay somewhere around it, not breaking it down. If we will get upward action right from here, all the better. So we probably will get some bullish pattern on the fall time frame chart, as I said, near this first support, and market should keep going higher. This will be, by the way, really great. It's just because we have just minor COP extension, and if market will show just minor retracement after minor target, this is really good. Next destination point in this case will be OP. Now we will try to estimate where it should be. OP will be 109.80 area, which is very close to the major top that we see currently on the weekly chart, right there. So it totally corresponds to the idea of the possible bread body trade. Also, probably you could consider some kind of this A, B, C. This probably will be also the COP from this one. Just take it, trying to estimate this. I suppose that's minor OP will stand together with a big COP in the same place, right? So you could see that from this ABCD big pattern, COP stands very close to the OP of this minor pattern. So in general, we could acknowledge that 109.70, 109.80 is probably will be the next destination points if euro will keep going higher and accomplish all the bullish conditions that we just have discussed. So, shortly speaking, in 2 words, currently we are not considering taking short position. We are watching for support areas. Those of you who would like to take the long position need to watch for these levels, as I said, and especially control the performance in this consolidation area. Market should stay about. If market somehow break it down, do not take any long position. It could mean that market starts downward direction, and chances of the breaking of the bullish context on the daily will increase. So that's towards what we have on euro currency.